Okay, Euro Yen here. I'm a little bit mixed on this one at the moment. I was hoping to see a bit of a bounce in the euro overall in the last couple of weeks, but it's not really come as of yet anyway. I'm still sort of expecting that. We've still not made the first target here, which for me sort of tells me that there is still potential for us to get down to this 119 level. It also appears on the weekly chart, the 119.06, which is the first thrust support level, which we've not tested. We're just about to remove the first monthly thrust support level to the close, which would then make that resistance, but it's not really just a very convincing removal in all honesty. So overall I'm just not really too convinced by these charts. If you look at like how the euro pound setting up, it's got quite convincing levels. It tells a nice story, but where the euro yen's concerned, it's just a bit mixed for me really. I don't really have anything that I'd like to do here at all at the moment. I was looking for sort of clear removals of these levels. We did fail at my level here, but again, it wasn't a clear removal, so I didn't take any of those trades. Again, we tried to test this level on Friday, the 121.78, but there's just not really as much room to go lower on this pair as I see in some other pairs, which is why I'm most likely going to leave this one to see for further developments at the moment. The 121.73, and then the next level for me is this sort of cluster area at 119, 119.31, 119.06. So it doesn't really just give much scope for movement really, yeah, I just don't really see any action I can take here at all at the moment. But I need to really see a clean removal of this 119 area and then a retest of that level. It's the way it's kind of looking at the moment. Yeah, so I don't really think I'll touch this pair at all this week by the looks of things. I'll see how things develop, but it's not looking too likely. I don't really like to trade a pair when I have to think about it too much. And at the moment, just looking at this chart, I'm just having to think about it too much. There's nothing really that's jumping out at me here. So certainly for this week, I won't be doing anything here. We still have a couple hours left to trade at the monthly bar here. Should we get a gap lower, a cleaner removal, I might keep an eye on the 121.73 level. But again, as I say, it's not really convincing. It's not as convincing as like I'll show you later in the pound yen chart, where there's more scope to sell to move lower. So yeah, so for this pair this week will be no action, I would imagine, but I'll be doing more reports during the week, so anytime if I decide that I want to get involved here, then I'll let you know, but I think it's highly unlikely.